Whoops! It's the Poseidon adventure. Oh. Hello guys, welcome back to the returning subscribers, and if you're new, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell notification option to stay updated on all my new uploads too. Today we're taking a look at this Alfawise K800 2-in-1 wireless retro style membrane keyboard. Outside the box there is an initial image of the keyboard and mouse, with the noticeable standouts black and red colour coordinated tones. There are a few feature symbols just here to the bottom right, which we'll go into real soon. Is there anything else? You know what? Let's just quickly delve inside. Inside the box, well, we got some basic bubble wrap protection on both mouse and keyboard, with a very simple instruction manual included. Let's just take the keyboard out and wow. I mean, straight away, this keyboard looks so different. Wow, I mean, it looks so much better than it does on the outside of the box. Guys, how retro looking does this look? Do you know what? It just looks so simplistic, but it does remind me of like an old typewriter. I think this keyboard wouldn't only just look great with a PC, it'd look fantastic with say like an Android TV set. I've got a keyboard that I use on my TV and I do hide it away after use. With the look of this Alfawise K800, you get the feeling you just want to keep it out and show it off. And you know what? It's light too. Let me just check. Yeah, it says it's 450 grams. With no number keys to the right, it's just over 32 centimeters in length, 15 centimeters in width, and 3 centimeters in thickness. I just love these round typewriter style suspended keycaps and font style too. Now I don't know if you can get simple keycap replacements. There are 84 of these keys in total with a scientific layout. I do think it's the same layout as a MacBook, and you do have 13 multimedia shortcut keys. Looking around the shelf, the keyboard is mainly made of ABS plastic. It has 4 rubber round feet, which has pretty good grip. It does sit flat but very still on flat surfaces. This K800 takes 2 AAA batteries. It has 2.4 GHz wireless technology and is compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, Smart TV, and you know what, I think I'll just list the compatibilities in the video description down below. So this Alfawise keyboard has noise cancelling keys. As it's a membrane keyboard, it's super silent. I mean, comparing it to a mechanical type keyboard, which like this one right here, uses cherry star switches under the keys. Well, the pressure pads of most membrane keyboards usually provide very little feedback. However, this K800 has a surprisingly good feel and clunkiness. It certainly feels different to many other membrane keyboards that I've used before. Just listen to how silent it is. Now this Alfawise K800 has no lighting. It's described as being suitable for all tasks, including gaming. I personally can't see myself using it for that, as these keys are quite compacted together, and while using the arrow keys I did catch the shift and control keys a lot. The response speed is good though, having a key response speed of 3ms and anti-ghosting keys. So yeah, each key is scanned independently by the keyboard hardware, so each key is correctly detected. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say that this keyboard has a waterproof design with 9 leakage holes. Keyboard and mouse operate from a distance of 6 to 10 meters. Let's take a closer look at the mouse, and yeah, it's wireless via the 2.4 GHz wireless USB provided underneath. This mouse takes a single AA battery, and again I really like the look. The left and right main buttons have a very good size, and right away I gotta say that I like the area they take up. They are very responsive and have an adjustable 800, 1200 and 1600 DPI, which is accessed by a single click of the central DPI button. Again, the size and durability of the mouse wheel feels fantastic, with great finger grip of the rubber outside coating. Okay, it's just a simple mouse on its own, but bring into the shot the keyboard and you have a great keyboard and mouse combination. In addition, this mouse right here has a 3-level sleep mode. So yeah, it's not like the other ones you can buy that has a fixed sleep mode that basically annoyingly shuts off after 2 seconds of inactiveness. The whole this keyboard and mouse package is a very good looking product, which is practical and as a membrane keyboard is inexpensive. So if I was to rate this whole package together out of a rating out of 10, then I seriously have to give it 9 out of 10. Do you know what? I think it's actually a good price. With the price being between 18 to 20 pounds, that's between 20 to 25 in US dollars. With that price you really can't go wrong. I mean, there are some basic membrane keyboards that cost the same as this K800, however this one right here looks so much better. So yeah guys, I do actually recommend this Alfawise keyboard today, and you can go get yours right now in the video description down below. And while you're there, please like and subscribe if you like this video. Make sure you click the bell notification option to stay updated on all my new uploads coming soon. And please share wherever possible. Sharing is caring. I'll see all you guys real soon, and well, thanks for watching.